What makes car brakes stop a vehicle?
The car brakes work by using friction to slow down or stop your vehicle. When you press the brake pedal, it activates a system that pushes brake pads or shoes against a spinning part called a rotor or drum. The contact between these parts generates friction, which converts the car's motion into heat and safely brings it to a stop.
How does friction play a role?
Friction is the key force behind braking. It's the resistance that happens when two surfaces rub against each other. In this case, the brake pads and the rotors. The greater the friction, the more effectively the brakes can reduce the car's speed. This friction ultimately transforms the vehicle's kinetic energy into heat, allowing it to stop.
What forces are involved in braking?
Two main forces come into play: applied force and frictional force. When you press the pedal, you apply force that gets multiplied by the brake system. This force pushes the pads against the rotors, creating a frictional force that acts opposite to the direction of travel, bringing the vehicle to a halt.
Why don't cars keep rolling forever?
Thanks to friction and applied force, cars don't roll endlessly. Without brakes, a moving car would eventually stop due to natural friction with the road and air resistance. However, brakes increase friction dramatically, allowing you to stop when needed, instead of waiting for the car to slow down on its own over a long distance.
How do brakes stay effective?
A regular maintenance keeps brakes safe and effective. Over time, brake pads wear down due to constant friction and heat. Replacing worn pads and inspecting brake components is essential, ensuring you get maximum safety and efficient stopping every time you drive.